Hi, everyone. I'm Doug Black, Editor-in-Chief at InsideHPC. We're at the ISC 2024 conference in Hamburg, and I'm at the DDC booth with Chris Orlando. He is co-founder and Chief Strategy Officer at the company. And Chris, great to be with you.
Nice to see you again, Doug, especially here in Hamburg at ISC.
Okay, and tell us a little bit about DDC, your mission, and some of the history of the company.
Well, I mean, DDC was started, by myself and my partner, built as a data center platform by data center operators for data center operators. Right? We weren't trying to solve a specific technical problem. We just wanted to improve the way data centers operated. And so that was the onus for us creating this platform. And I can tell you, 11 years ago when we launched the platform, people had questions about why are we trying to solve for density? Why are we so concerned with 50 and 60 kilowatt racks? But we stayed the mission, and we've grown, and the company's recently took on a large investment, which has allowed us to scale and expand operations, fortify some of our processes. And now here at ISC, we're working on expanding internationally. So as the need for higher density grew, and as the rest of the industry said, hey, this is something we're going to need, the explosive growth we've seen has just been wild.
So you were really out ahead on that whole density issue and how to manage and deal with those complexities. And what you have now is sort of a hybrid liquid air cooling solution. Tell us about that.
Yeah, so I mean, liquid's very efficient, but there's so much opportunity and requirement right now to deal with variable types of hardware. And liquid cooling, direct to chip, direct to chassis, it's still a little bit Wild West, right? We don't have a lot of standards. Everyone's doing it a little bit different way. And so we believe that there's this bridge that needs to be built. As we talk to some of the larger players in the hyperscale space, building hundreds of megawatts of space, while liquid cooling is going to play a role that we know in that type of solution, there's still a tremendous amount of air cooling that needs to happen. And those workloads are generally going to be mixed in somewhere in the data center with those liquid to chip requirements. And so we're building a bridge for customers to be able to support very high density, very efficiently, and very cost effectively with air. Right in the data center, in a system that can be used to build new data center space, augment existing brownfield, or just spot patched in whenever you need, a high density solution. It's a wild time for us, and the opportunities are endless right now.
So tell us about a typical customer scenario where they bring you guys in, assist a customer dealing with issues at scale.
Yeah, so I mean, the amount of requirement, whether it's HPC and AI right now, everybody has a significant demand, and they all need it now, right? Nothing's moving slowly. So being able to take a platform like DDC and go to an existing data center that may not be configured to be able to support these high density workloads and deploy our cabinets on an existing floor rapidly and solve for both energy efficiency and extremely high density is a very in the demand type of requirement right now. So we're seeing customers that say, we need AI now, we need HPC now. How do we get our data centers ready? And this product is an ideal patch to be able to get that up and running more quickly than any other solution in the market today.
All right, so we've been with Chris Orlando of DDC here at ISC 2024. And Chris, thanks so much for your time.
Thanks, Doug. Appreciate it. Bye, everybody.